You know what this means. It means bush delivery. Yay! Now, everyone else probably has already received their stuff, but I have not because I live in the bush. So let's unwrap the brand new products. 2 new Matte and Shine lip duos, one in Fleur, one in Bloom. Cannot wait to put that on. We have the texturizing pomade, True Style. We have the beautiful defining curl cream. Yeah. We have the, I got a free counter spot essence, which I love and use 2 times a day. Beautiful new tea, ginger green tea. Strawberry flavor. Fistics times 2. Strawberry protein shake. Oh, anti-frizz dry oil, that I'm excited about. The beautiful shower gel in the 100% post-consumer recycled packages. These are super concentrated. You only need a tiny drop for your whole shower. Saves on packaging, saves on footprint. Then this is special because I'm me. I'm just kidding. This is special because I'm a consultant and I want it all pack. Yes! This is a water bottle that collapses down. So amazing. And what else did we get? Oh yeah, we got a reusable straw. Thinking about the environment. So excited. Now, if you guys use any Arbonne products, you know that they always come with scoops, which is wonderful, except for they're made out of plastic. So this is a free gift that I got, and actually it's available to not just consultants, but I got an amazing stainless steel scoop kit, so we don't have to waste. And then some really amazing reusable bags. Again, we're trying to reduce our carbon footprint. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, we got the new, my scissors. We got the new Super Calm. Discover Super Calm made with tiger grass and agache. Wow, this is the new skincare line for really easily stress sensitive skin. Comes with a vegan cleansing milk. This is a no rinse. I don't even know how that works. I'm so excited to try it. So we got a vegan no rinse, and then we got a beautiful serum you put on after. And then we've got the hydrating moisturizer in this kit. So beautiful. You guys, I cannot wait to use it tonight. But I think because I've been waiting for this for so long and this tastes like a strawberry milkshake, we're having one. Okay. So let's go. Okay. That's not recommended. Don't squeeze the bag. Okay, so 2 scoops as per the usual. I like to just add milk, or water, pardon me. Okay, let's give it a shake and give it a try. Wearing it all. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's so good. I'm really impressed. It doesn't disappoint. Oh, that's so good. Wow. 20 vitamins and minerals in this puppy. Pea protein, completely vegan. Let's try out my reusable straw. Wow. I'm so excited. If you guys are interested in trying out any of these new products, please DM me. I'm so happy to share all of it with you as part of my wellness journey and my I guess, struggle back to the best me. And you know what? I'm so proud and so happy to be sharing this with you. Okay, well, today is a good day. Today's mail day. I will see you next time in my kitchen or in my bathroom. Bye, guys.